Hey everyone, Dom here and welcome back to another video and making a unboxing video in my new cube. Okay, this is my new cube called GAN 356 Air S. So let's open it. Okay, this is the GAN. Let's try first turn. This cube is very nice, but these corner cuttings, let's see corner cuttings, not good. Okay, we have our next package. Okay, I will get this. Okay, we have this bag, cube bag. We have cube bag, and let's open it. There has the OLL and PLL and F2L. The CFUP thing. We got OLL, PLL, and F2L. So we got the stand. We got tools. We got stand. Okay, we got a bag, cube bag. Okay. This cube is very nice. I hope you will buy this on Lazada or Cubicle. It's very nice. Okay, I will use examples of. Oh my god. Sorry about that. Oh, so I have this. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. And I will see you on next time. Bye bye.